This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get sliding closet doors off. First, ensure your workspace is clear of any obstructions to prevent accidents. You'll want to have a flathead screwdriver or a small pry bar handy, as these are often useful for disengaging rollers. Take a moment to observe your door system. Most sliding doors are either top-hung, hanging from an upper track, or bottom-rolling, primarily on a lower track. Understanding this helps with the next steps. Now let's get those doors off. For most sliding doors, lift the panel firmly upwards, pushing its top rollers as high as possible into the upper track. This action disengages the bottom rollers from their lower track. Once the bottom is free, tilt the door's base towards you, creating an angle of about 30 degrees. Then, gently lower the entire door, guiding the top rollers out of the upper track. This process usually takes just a few seconds per door. Sometimes, doors can be a bit stubborn. If a door isn't lifting easily, inspect the rollers for small adjustment screws. These are often found on the top or bottom rollers and can be turned with a flathead screwdriver. Turning them counterclockwise typically retracts the roller, providing more clearance. Also, quickly check both the upper and lower tracks for any accumulated dirt or small objects. Even a tiny pebble can prevent smooth operation, so clearing these obstructions makes a big difference. When you're ready to put the doors back, the process is essentially the reverse. Start by aligning the top rollers with the upper track. Lift the door, inserting the top rollers, then gently push the bottom inward until the bottom rollers settle into their lower track. You might hear a small click as they engage. Once both sets of rollers are in place, give the door a few slides back and forth to ensure it moves smoothly and is properly seated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.